And there's a few other things too that are from a local aspect. So, especially with the Google My Business stuff, it's extremely proximity based. You can't rank in a 3-pack 60 miles away, right? That's in Google, that's not the best user experience in Google finds. They're going to show local businesses close to that user in the 3-pack. So that's where the proximity comes in, right? How close is the person to the actual place of business? And that's where, some of this you can sync your map into, you can embed that into the press release and syndicate it out. It's just one strategy there to help boost that. And you want to have, relevance. Is like, that's why we said if we have a water damage page specific to Orlando, that's going to be more relevant than just some generic water damage page, right? That's why if you search that, it's not going to show up some company in Texas because it's not relevant proximity-based content, right? So it's extremely important to keep that in mind as you do your link building strategy and as you build your websites out and as you do your blog posts or press releases, whatever you go after. And what's your prominence in Google's eyes, right? Your EAT profile, again, the brand mentions, the link signals, how many reviews do you have versus the competition. I don't know if you noticed this, but if you snip around the 3-pack, especially too, you notice, not always, like it just depends, right? How long they've been around, how long they've been doing link building and all that stuff. But the number of reviews can be huge. A lot of the guys in 3-pack tend to have more reviews than the guys ranking down 15, 20 and all that, right? They don't, some of them don't even have any reviews. A lot of the guys that get into the top 3-pack, they have a lot more. I mean, I've seen it where, some of them, they'll have, 100 something reviews and the next guy only has 10. So who do you think is going to get the call? That's why I think it's a huge conversion aspect. Like, we're really pushing and helping our clients get more reviews because, I mean, it just helps get the phone call. And again, that's why we want to go after that. Oh yeah, I did want to show you this guys real quick too, like see how powerful syndicating your content out, these press releases can be, like what it could do. I'll just show you this. Yeah, this was actually kind of cool. I was looking at this earlier. I know we got some screen issues. Let's do this. So this is a client, as you can see here, came on board December last year, right? And that, there's a lot of on page and all this stuff we've been talking about. And some of this we're still implementing, which I'll get to in a minute. But like, we start fixing the on page and start doing the link building and the syndication. So look at this, is crazy. And if you can see that, he had one number 1 ranking, and then all of these are 2 to 5 and all that, right? So the dark green is the number 1 rankings. So look what's happened over time. In May, remember I was saying there's an update? He had 50 number 1s in May. When he came to us, he had 1. So I know this sounds like a lot of just gibberish. It's not really important and technical. I mean, that's why companies like us just handle it for you guys, right? So you don't have to worry about all this. But I mean, I just want to show you how powerful the off-page SEO especially can be. 50 number 1s. Now look at this. A few of them dropped down to number 2 and 5, which isn't. I mean, if you went from number 1 to number 2, it's fine, right? That's why this is an ever-going battle. Google did an update, right? So he lost a few, but guess what we're working on now? We're about to do his page. We noticed his page speed is bad. I think he was even in the red. So we're about to take. I mean, once we do his page speed, he's probably going to jump past the 50 and probably, he'll probably jump up 60, 75 number 1 rankings after that. So, I mean, it does fluctuate, right? That's the nature of the game. It's not just a consistent, I mean, Google doesn't make it easy songs, but I just want to show you the power. I mean, one number 1 to 50 by implementing all these things, right? So I'm not just making this stuff up as I go. Man, this is crazy. If you look now, look at all these number 1 rankings and all these are showing for the, some of these are the outside the box and some of these are big boy keywords, right? Like just water damage. Everybody's trying to get that. But as you can see, we almost have him number 1 for all these keywords, right? So I'm pumped for him. I was talking to him the other day. He's super excited, but I just want to show you that. There's definitely power to what I'm showing you guys. Not just we like to implement what works, obviously, right? So this is the stuff that's working now. Hope you got value out of that video. If you're looking for more ideas and strategies for better ways to market your water, mold, or fire damage restoration business online, you can go to restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there we have a free checklist you can download. It's called the Ultimate Online Marketing Guide for Damage Restoration Contractors. And there you'll be able to get the latest strategies that are working now to really increase your lead flow online. You could probably even 5 to 10x the number of leads you're getting per month from internet marketing. So there should be a link below, restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there you can download the checklist for free of charge. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.